Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Neha and welcome to another video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Today's video is going to be a review about a product which was super viral. Now again, a viral product and my videos goes hand in hand. So today we are going to review that. Let's just check if this product is actually worth buying or not. The product that I'm talking about is the hair brush from Alan Tuman. Don't know if I'm pronouncing this product right, but yeah, this is the hair comb brush and you must have definitely seen it on your feed. I got this product from Nykaa and it got delivered within 6 to 7 business days. I'm not sure if it was earlier to that, but yeah. And I have got this product in the black and golden combo. There was also another combo of white and pink, if I'm not wrong. I will tag this product down so that you can check it out too. So without any further ado, let's start and see if this product is actually worth buying or not. So this is what the hair brush looks like. Now I must say it is very appealing, but iska jo body hai, it does make noise like the plastic which is used. It does make noise because यहाँ के जो gaps है, I do feel that those are a little open. So I don't know how long this is going to last. अगर ये गिर जाए एक दो बारी के ऊपर, I think this might get damaged. But this also comes with a warranty of a year or two. I'm not sure. You can check it again with the help of the link which I have put down below. So let's just go ahead and plug this in and see how exactly this works. This one has 3 modes in it, the blast, hot and warm. So मैंने ये product जैसे ही आया तभी मैंने एक बारी try किया है. So yeah, this is not the first time that I'm going to use this product, but I have tried it before. Just for you to get an idea how this one actually works is so the reason why we are making this particular video. Coming back to the point, blast is the regular mode. It doesn't have too much power in it. Hot and warm is the one which you can opt for अगर आपको proper blow dry वाला effect चाहिए, then that's what you can go with. Now we are going to go ahead on the third setting, which is the warm. Okay, so before we move further and start using the particular product, now I know that this product will damage your hair. So I would suggest you to always apply a hair serum or a hair spray. The one which I am using is from Nexxus. This is another product that we need to talk in detail and I will do a review video of this one as well. Let's just quickly apply this product on my hair first. एक side पे मैंने already लगा लिया है. I'm just going to put it on the other side as well. We are done with applying the hair serum. Now just let's go ahead and start with the hair brush. Now usually of course आप section करके करोगे, but my hair is a little too tiny and वो section नहीं होते हैं ढंग से. So I'm just going to go straight in. I'll just get 2 partition and start off with one. So let's just put this one this side maybe. Wow. I mean, because my hair is short, it is actually not taking a lot of time for me to get it done. But you can definitely see the difference. I mean, just look at the ends. I'm impressed so far. Let's just get done with the rest. I think I'm almost done. I just need to do the crown section to get that bounce. So let's just do that. Alright. I mean, you guys can see it, right? Oh my god. I'm impressed. I mean, फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने इतने अच्छे से इसको स्टाइल किया है. इसके पहले when it arrived, I did not do a proper blow dry. Wow. Amazing. Looks nice. It does give you a proper blow dry hair. Let me show you. I think it did an amazing job. It is actually giving me a blow dry wala situation. And the texture, I'm not sure if it's gonna last really long. But I think if you will use a proper hair mist या फिर आप एक proper lock-in वाला spray use करेंगे तो it would be better and it would stay for long. Just like that, I don't think so it will be like this by the end of the day or by the end of the event if you are using it. This is a blow dry brush. अगर आप एक certain amount डाल के salon से ये कर रहे हो, it's better to purchase this and get it done by yourself as many times as you want to, honestly. And I am quite impressed. But okay, so with that, we have come towards the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would really appreciate if you do take a moment and subscribe to my channel below right now. Share this video with your girlies so that they can try out this product too. And yeah, I think this is it. Then see you in the next one. Stay safe and happy.